Okay, so here you can see the clock pulse coming in from my little circuit. Okay. Every pulse moves that another position. Without skipping any pulses. Every pulse it resets back to 1. So pretty clever little circuit there, integrated circuit. And the way it's wired up, I'll have to make sure you get a schematic for that. Alright, you get the idea. Every clock pulse moves another turn. Okay, so there's the circuit. This is my pickup coil. Okay, and just coupled by setting on it. There's the circuit. That's already described. All of these appear to be on because they're flashing so fast. I'm not positive on the frequency yet. I'll get to that in a minute. But here's what I want to show you. Let me get set up for the oscilloscope. Okay, there you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'm on a 10 volt per division scale, and I'm on a 1 to 10 on my probe, so 10 to 1, whatever. So that means each one of these divisions are not 10 volts, they're 100 volts. So I have 600 volts on that pickup ring, on that pickup coil. 600 volts. And we're uncalibrated, so that should be pretty accurate. That's pretty cool. The interesting thing is right there at that frequency, everything seems to coalesce and sync together. Anywhere else, and it goes crazy. You can see how they're not synchronized. But when I get all the way to that frequency right there, now I'm just changing the frequency. I'm doing nothing else. No change of voltage or nothing. Okay, right there's a frequency that seems to be at its peak and synchronized. Pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. I'll keep it up. We'll try a few experiments right there and see how that works. Okay, hopefully this works. I'm going to show you something cool. And change the speed of this device here as it's going around. Try to pick up the speed. Get it to the point where it wants to continue traveling around. No, it ain't working. Let me try it. Okay, let's try this. We'll try to pick up the speed now. See if I can get this to spin in. You can see the direction that I'm trying to get everything to turn. There we go. Come on. Come on. Ah. Something's off. It's trying. too much friction or something. Maybe I'm a little out of balance or in the wrong area. Not quite center. Well, you see which way it's going anyway. Trying to work. Let's zoom in anyway. It's about as smooth as I can make it right now. But you get the idea now, what I'm trying to do. Rotate the magnetic field. It is doing it.